How to fix command prompt crashing problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you will have to see if you have any virus in your computer. Simply use any antivirus and then if there is any virus, remove it. After that, restart your computer. Next, open PowerShell, Windows PowerShell or command prompt as administrator. Go to run as administrator and then type this command. That is, you will have to test for SFC. Simply type sfc/scan now and hit enter. Now, after it finishes the system scan, it will tell you if there is any problem. If not, all you have to do is simply restart your computer and see if there is any third-party application that is causing this problem. If yes, simply remove all these third-party applications and you will be good to go. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.